Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restart the sound drivers on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will work for Windows 7 and Windows 8 as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to double click on the audio inputs and output section, and then right click on the speaker device and select where it says disable device, and then select yes. And now you want to go ahead and right click on it and then enable the device and give it a moment. And there you go. You just restarted the sound driver. So a pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.